Hi, this is Anil Kumar here. In this demo, I would like to show you how you can create a carousel component using Forge UI components. For this demo, I've created a Forge JIRA issue panel app. Basically, it just renders all the artboards from my Figma file and displayed here. The problem was, what if I have so many artboards and I want to display on an issue panel and it can grow in size. So I thought it would be a nice idea to have a carousel so I can view which all artboards I have for this particular user story or this particular use case. For this example, for this demonstration, I've used Figma community resource file onboarding screen pattern. And let's see it in action. So I'm pressing the right button and the next image loads and the next artboard. Let's load it. Let's go back to previous one. So if you are interested to know how I implemented this, let's go to my GitHub project and you can see the carousel component. And I mainly use three Forge UI components. Mainly, it's image component, button component, table component. As you can see here, since the actions are executed on the cloud, so you might expect some kind of delay and there is no animation or a transition effect. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you think, or let me know if you have any feedback. Thank you.